Welcome to the service request function in Sage X3. In this quick walkthrough, we'll create a new service request and identify the related install base. Let's start by opening Service Request Entry. Begin by entering the customer account number. If you need to view more details about that customer, you can drill directly into the customer record. No need to leave the screen. Next, we'll identify the install base. That's the serialized product the warranty or service contract was originally sold to. This step automatically links the request to the right equipment and ensures any service coverage or warranties are instantly visible. If you already know the specific component, you can select it here as well. At this stage, X3 displays the coverage details tied to that product, so you can immediately confirm what's covered and what isn't. Service scheduling and dispatching. Once the service request has been entered, we can now schedule and dispatch the technician. After logging in with our credentials, we're presented with the dispatch dashboard showing available technicians, active routes, and a calendar view of all currently scheduled service calls. To create a new route, simply select the date you want to schedule. You'll then see a list of available service requests awaiting assignment. Next, review your available technicians and confirm they have the appropriate skill set to handle the request. After reviewing both the request details and technician information, drag the service request into the middle pane to generate the route. Once the route is created, you'll see the location displayed on the map. If you'd like X3 to optimize the path automatically, just select the optimization button. The system will adjust the route based on current traffic conditions. Before dispatching, take a moment to review the route for accuracy and confirm the schedule. When ready, the route can be dispatched directly to the technician's mobile device for execution in the field. Finally, we can verify the route within X3 by opening the field service function and searching for the newly created route. Parts management and truck inventory. Now that the route has been confirmed, we're ready to issue the necessary parts to the service vehicle to ensure the call can be completed without delays. From the main screen, we'll open our inventory list on the left-hand side. Here, we can easily select the parts that need to be issued for the service call and enter the quantities required for the job. Once the parts have been selected and reviewed, we'll go ahead and save the record. Then choose the vehicle that the parts will be loaded onto. By selecting the Load to Vehicle button, X3 will automatically move the inventory from the warehouse location to the designated truck location. A detailed transfer log is generated instantly, confirming the movement of each item and maintaining accurate inventory records across the system. With the truck now fully stocked and ready to go, we can validate the route, which sends the service call directly to the technician's mobile app for completion in the field. And just like that, your technician is equipped, informed, and ready to deliver service. Service technician response. From the service technician's mobile app, once logged in, the technician is greeted with a clear and intuitive dashboard. Here, they can quickly review their assigned routes for the day, or even schedule an unplanned service visit if needed. Let's begin by selecting the My Routes button to open the technician's assigned route. From this view, we can see that one service call has already been scheduled for today. The technician reviews the route information and the list of assigned calls, confirming all the necessary details before heading out. Upon arriving at the customer's location, the technician selects the POD, or Proof of Delivery button. This step confirms arrival on site and captures both the time and the physical location of the visit. The system then transitions to the Service Details screen, where the technician can begin documenting the work being performed. By selecting the Service button, the technician opens the service entry form. Here, they can record all activities related to the job, entering parts used, quantities replaced, and noting the type of service performed. If additional work is required, the technician can tap the Add Job button to include any extra services or follow-up tasks, ensuring a complete and accurate service record. Throughout the call, the mobile interface makes it easy for the technician to capture supporting details. They can take photos of the repair, add notes describing the issue and resolution, and record any observations that might be useful for future service history. Once the repair is complete, the technician requests a customer's signature directly on the device, confirming that the work has been performed to their satisfaction. All of this information is automatically saved, creating a complete and time-stamped digital record of the service event. With the job finished, the technician taps Confirm Departure. This final action marks the end time of the service call and completes the last milestone in the route. The data is instantly synchronized with X3, allowing dispatchers and service managers to see that the job is complete and the technician is ready for the next assignment. Service ticket review and validation. With the service call complete, we now move to the service ticket finalization and review stage. Here, the service response is carefully reviewed for accuracy, including the parts consumed, the labor time entered, and each of the recorded milestones from the job. As part of this review, we can also examine the technician's notes and photos captured in the field, providing clear documentation of the work performed and the customer's on-site experience. The recorded timestamps and GPS locations are validated to confirm when and where the service was completed, ensuring full accountability and traceability. Once everything has been verified and approved, the service ticket is finalized, marking the last step before invoicing, ensuring every detail is complete, accurate, and ready for billing. Service invoicing. With the service ticket finalized, the process moves seamlessly into invoicing. All approved labor, parts, and service details flow automatically into the billing module, reducing manual entry, improving accuracy, and accelerating turnaround time. Because Sage X3 operates as a fully connected, holistic system, every step, from request creation to invoicing, is unified in one platform. And even when working offline, technicians can continue updating service calls and sync data once reconnected, keeping your operations running smoothly anytime, anywhere. That's the power of Sage X3 Field Service: efficient, accurate, and connected service management from start to finish.